When people gossip and when your idea is rejected, do you shut down? High performers use a precise protocol to command respect in meetings.
You will master 3 protocols: managing when people gossip, responding when your idea is rejected, and claiming credit when your work isn't noticed.
Water cooler gossip drains team velocity. When people gossip, average employees join the noise, but high performers pivot. They immediately redirect the conversation toward active projects. This tactical shift stops toxic loops and refocuses team energy on shipping code. The framework How to Handle Office Politics, like a high performer, outlines this protocol to maintain execution speed. When your idea is rejected in an architecture review, most engineers withdraw. They quietly stop contributing to the project. High performers do the opposite. They immediately request specific, structured feedback on the decision. This is the core protocol of gain respect at work. Asking for feedback, instead of withdrawing, preserves your technical influence and builds long-term trust. When an engineer's work isn't noticed, they often ship critical infrastructure fixes in silence, expecting managers to notice the performance gains. When those contributions go unseen, resentment builds. Complaining or showing frustration silently damages professional standing. High performers use peak protocol.co to systematically document and communicate direct business impact. Proactive visibility ensures technical contributions translate directly into career advancement. When a coworker is tough to deal with, venting to peers in private Slack channels is tempting. However, back-channel complaining destroys team trust and leaves the underlying bottleneck unresolved. High performers address the individual directly using the Dr. Miro-Bada framework to diffuse friction. Direct, structured communication is the only way to protect your team's velocity.
You think managing workplace friction is a simple task. In reality, the How to Handle Office Politics like a high-performance system spans 12 distinct layers. It also uses peak protocol.co to track impact and Dr. Miro-Bada to resolve team friction. This structured framework ensures you always gain respect at work, especially when your idea is rejected.
An engineer faces a sudden rejection on a critical system architecture proposal. Instead of withdrawing, they apply the When Your Idea is Rejected protocol. They request structured feedback from the lead architect immediately. Next, they log their contribution metrics using peak protocol.co. This ensures their impact remains highly visible, resolving the classic when your work isn't noticed trap.
So now you see why managing workplace friction protects your career. Go to peakprotocol.co right now. Download the guide for when people gossip. Spend 5 minutes running through this quick start to handle your next tough conversation.